what's happened to Aboriginal people in the Territory. They've had no say in any of this. If anybody here that's from interstate believes for one moment there's been any consultation of people on communities, there hasn't. There hasn't been any consultation. I've been there on the front line of this rubbish for 3 years, and I've seen CDP completely destroyed before my very eyes. We had 52 people in our very small community of 320 people all up working on CDP, and we were able to make the money on our own little community to pay them up to the average wage was $450 a week, which is a pretty good wage on a community. That's doing better than a lot of other communities. As soon as the Shires took over, no top up. 2 people got a job. And when those 2 people got a job, their life was miserable because they were the only 2 people with a job. 2 young men living in a house suddenly inundated with everybody else that didn't have a job. We've got 43 people now who work for the Shire living in Alice Springs. Alice Springs isn't even in our Shire, the Central Desert Shire. We're Harps Range. We're way over on the east of the Shire. It goes right over to Yuendumu and Mirapi and right up to Lajamanu. These are all bush communities. When we argued to have the Shire located in Tea Tree and some of the offices, the major offices and operations centred in Yuendumu and maybe out at Harps Range, they said no, we won't get anybody to come and work for us if we're not based in Alice. And we said to them, well, we don't want those people. They don't want to work out in the communities, then, we don't want them. But we lost again. We weren't listened to, the people on the ground. There was no consultation. Everything was taken from us. We had looked after all of our equipment at Harps Range. We've had half of it taken of us in the middle of the night. We've had tractors taken out of our community at night when they knew that I was away. They tried to take our grader about 3 months ago, but the actual old CDP crew put themselves in front of the grader. So there's a small resistance in some, in every community. I know there is, and it's a bit harder in some communities. It's a lot more difficult.